hills at the end of this runway, and what I've been noting is you will be airborne and turn to the right out over the Mediterranean. We have the airport terminal buildings in our background. Engines are powering up, so it shouldn't be long. We're rolling. Here we go. About a 30-second taxi and we are airborne. And we're in that right turn out over to the Mediterranean to avoid those hills that were appearing to be at the end of the runway. Where those clouds are, it's probably Monaco, very short distance as the crow flies, but quite a ways in the car. Best way to get there, helicopter. See our videos with Heli Air Monaco and our transports to and from Monaco and Nice Airport. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos as